Hi everyone, my name is Brian Ace A. Cortez. I'm currently a third year college student in BS Chemical Engineering. My hobbies are playing sports and also watching movies and especially watching anime. I love to help with my family in cleaning the house and also playing with my brother and sister. And I took up this course because I want to help the people to lessen greenhouse gases and also to help the environment to be less dirty and also less of pollution. I went to CIT University because it has high regards in the equipment towards the chemical engineering course and also towards the competency of the students. I love the CIT University because of its highly regards towards the top notchers and also it has high passing rate towards engineers. Thank you.